Hello my friends, this is Kathleen from Be Again Books. I am turning on the camera today because I am decorating in my meditation journal and wanted to just bring you along. I'm going to do a collage on this side of this paper, and I have kind of in mind how I want it to look, but you know, when you do collage, sometimes you just don't know how it's going to turn out. But I have a bunch of neutral papers over here on this side, and got my paintbrushes for the glue. I've got a glue book over here to the side. I've got some gesso and some paint that will splatter. I have some stamps. I'm going to make kind of the background first, and so I just really honestly have just a few things here that I'm just going to create. First of all, a background. So let me get some glue on this first. We'll paint some matte gel medium on first, and then I'm just going to stick this over here on this side. Yep. And then I have this scrap of ledger paper. Let's see, which side do I want? I'm thinking I'm kind of liking this side better, so we'll put this side down. This background is just a cardstock, and so it's possible that it's going to buckle, but it's got something on the other side. I'll show you when we're all through, maybe. Okay, we've got that. Then I think I'm just going to put this paper across like that. So the weight that's already on the other side is going to kind of help balance the glue, so it should be okay. I may have to iron it in the end, I don't know. I have this pretty picture. This is my granddaughter. She's much older than this now though, so you won't be able to recognize her, but her mom can recognize her, I'm sure. Her dad will recognize her, I'm pretty sure. And maybe she will recognize herself. I'm not sure, but I think I'm going to put her so that she's kind of peeking out on this side. Yeah. Okay. I don't know when I put the glue on top if that's going to smear that ink. It's possible. So I'm just going to be kind of careful with that. I'm not going to put a lot on. It doesn't need a lot, I don't think, to hold it onto this. It's not like I'm doing a cover. Yeah, okay. And then I kind of like this, but I think I want to put this on down here and overlap that. Yeah. I appreciate you spending your time with me today. Some of you have mentioned that you like to watch me collage, and I just decided that I would go ahead and turn the camera on think I want to put this, scrunch it up a little bit though, I think. Get a little bit of texture. There. And I've got this I want to put down this side. It's hard for me when I'm standing where I am. It's hard kind of for me to see if I get things on straight. So I'm gonna hope that that's straight enough. Okay, good. Let me change my page over here. Okay, now I think I want to do some gesso on here and soften this all. So let me dry this and then I'll be right back. Okay, let's put a little bit of gesso, and I'm just going to take first just a card and get a little bit on and just kind of do some smearing. Whoops, I didn't want that to go on her face. Is that, oh no, that's part of the photo. Okay, I don't mind it so much behind her. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get what you want with the gesso. So we'll resort next to my fingers. I'll just get a little bit on my finger and kind of want to soften the edges of things, kind of blend her in. I don't want to change her face, but I do kind of want to blend the edge of her hair. Maybe her hands. And just kind of take her back just a little bit. I need a little bit more glue under this side of her head. Okay. All right, now I'm thinking I want to put this picture here. Maybe the one with the ducks. Yeah, let's glue this doily down. I'm gonna pull this out a little ways. Take a little water and blend that right there. Okay, let me try this much. Okay, let's do a little bit of stamping. I think I want to stamp this flower. I want it to be in the background. And then I want to get just a little bit of text. Down here. Yeah, I'm thinking this one is the one that I like. Bit of gesso, just kind of on the edges. Okay, I'm liking that so far, but I think I want to splatter. And oh my gosh, let's increase the protection here. Where's my splatter brush? And I want to mask her head. Okay. I don't want splatter on her face. Let's do some black also. Yep, good. Okay, let me dry this. Okay, now I think, there, I like that, yeah. So this reminds me of when I was a little girl on the farm, and I love this sentiment. And I think I want to put, like, I don't know, smile or something right here. Hang on. Okay, I found these in my drawer. Happiness, hope, maybe hope. Yeah, let's do hope. And I think I'm gonna need a little glue. We won't trust the sticky stuff. There we go. I kind of like that. Yep. Okay, so that is a stiff page now, and on the other side is all these pretty stamps. That's going to give me a lot of interesting things to look at as I sit with my journal. It's kind of stiff, but we'll work with that. Looks like I need to glue Molly's ear down again. That is just not wanting to stick. There. Thanks for being with me. I'll do another collage one of these days and bring you along. I hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you again